Checking your account balance on Priceline is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your account information. Step 1. Visit the Priceline website. Open your web browser and go to the official Priceline website. Ensure you're on the correct site to avoid any security issues. Step 2. Log into your account. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Access your account dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to your account dashboard. This is typically found under your profile icon or name, which is also located in the top right corner of the page. Step 4. Locate the account balance section. In your account dashboard, look for a section labeled Account Balance or Wallet. This section will display your current balance and any available credit or rewards. Step 5. Review your balance. Take note of your account balance as displayed. If you have any questions or discrepancies, consider reaching out to Priceline customer support for assistance. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance on Priceline. If you need further help, don't hesitate to explore the help center or contact customer service.